Members of the Discovery Bay Community Development Committee, CDC, staged yet another protest demanding that the Andrew Holness-led government withdraw its approval for the construction of a new Dolphin Cove attraction in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The placard-bearing protesters took to the streets of the parish on Saturday. They say the government has granted a restricted permit for a new Dolphin Cove attraction at the Puerto Seco beach development, despite concerns and objections raised by scientists, environmentalists, and the Fishermen's Co-op of Discovery Bay about the construction of a captive dolphin facility.
By not listening to the advice of the scientists or taking into consideration the community concerns about this facility, and it's just completely unreasonable and going to be a big environmental hazard apart from the humane considerations.
They again raised concerns about the waste from the dolphins polluting the bay.
Discovery Bay is a lagoon. It's almost circular, and the flushing to the open sea is limited. So what is going to happen is that the nutrients from the dolphin waste are going to grow algae, and algae will kill the seagrass, kill the corals, and kill the fish nurseries. So the fishermen catch will go down outside the bay,